Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Ram Invented Tech. In this video, we are going to build a Bluetooth car. Before going into that video, please do like and subscribe our channel. Required components for this project: Arduino UNO board, motor driver, Bluetooth module, batteries, BO motors, BO wheels, last one, base plate. After placing the motors on base plate, the motor wires should connect the same polarities in both sides. Now I am placing the Arduino UNO board with double plaster. This is the complete circuit diagram. Connect the wires as per this circuit diagram. Below I mentioned the pin-to-pin connections. Just I am following that. Now I am moving to Bluetooth device connections. These are the power pins and these are the receiver and transmitter pins. Here I am placing the batteries with using double plaster. Connecting the battery wires to motor driver, positive 12 volts and negative to ground. Now I am taking two wires externally to get the 5 volts from the motor driver to give the Arduino board. The total circuit had completed now. Next is time to upload the code. Code and circuit diagram I given the link in description. Please check it out. Open the Arduino IDE software. This is the full working code. These are the motor driver pins. Now go to tool option, select the board as an Arduino UNO. Next, select the COM port. Then click on upload the code. Now turn on the power switch. Now in mobile, open the Play Store app, search for Bluetooth Car Control app. I already installed this app. Now I am opening this app. This is the app interface. Now turn on the Bluetooth option. You can see the available devices names. Just pair that device with using password 1234. Now you will see the Bluetooth device name. Just click on it. It will connect to the car. Now we can easily operate the Bluetooth car with our own mobile. If it's working in reverse order, just change the motor wire connections. If you have any doubts to build this car, please contact me on Instagram or make a comment. If you like my explanation, please do like this video and don't forget to follow and subscribe our channel for further more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.